how to sign in into the Mimo with the Facebook. Okay, so you want to sign into the Mimo using your Facebook account. It's super simple. Let's do it. First things first, open up your Mimo app on your phone or a tablet, whatever you are using. Let me open mine. Now tap on I already have an account. Then tap on continue with the Facebook over here. And tada, you have successfully logged into the Mimo using your Facebook details. Super fast, right? This way is great because you don't have to remember any password. You can jump straight into learning with the Mimo. That's all for today's video. Makes this video made your day a little bit easier. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.